Hi everyone, this is how to put your digital notebook into your algebra folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm in my drive right now and I color coded my algebra 1 folder. I know I have a bunch of algebra folders. So here is this year's for organization. So I'm going to click on that. As you can see, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. Just remember within each unit, assessments and asynchronous work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the digital notebook and I am going to make a copy. Make a copy. So I like to put my name, so I just like to. So instead of my drive, I am going to put it in my algebra folder. So this one right here that I was just at, I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to put it outside of Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4 because I'm going to use this the whole semester. So I'm going to select that and it should open. Okay, so it's opening this. A lot of you guys, honestly, you can get rid of this if you want. You do not have to, but I am. And then the next thing you're going to do is on the first page, as you can see, you have teamwork, notice and wonder, estimation. That is Unit 1, all right? As you can see, Unit 2, that's going to be classification, argument, and proof, and equations. So what we're going to do is on this page right here, I am going to snip group roles. So my snipping tool, I have a shortcut for it. So of course, it's on a different screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip this. You could totally copy and paste it. I will tell you that snipping is something that we need to learn how to do on your computer. So there's one, and then I'm going to snip this one as well. All right. So copy that. And this is, like I said, this is my digital notebook. You can make it nice and pretty. For time purposes, I'm not going to. I'm going to also title this group roles, just so I know. And that is all. When you send me your algebra folder, what I want is you're going to go back to here, and you're going to go to your folder, and you're going to share it. All right, so you share it with me, and then I will get your entire folder. So when I click on it, I should see this, all right? And then when I click on Unit 1, I should see 2 more folders, asynchronous work and assessments. Thanks for